Hey guys, in this video today I'll be showing you how we prepared our backyard for the summer by sharing some footage of some of the projects that took place. And as you can see, we are having a new palm tree planted right there in that area. And guys, many of these projects were done months in advance, but I compiled them into this one video. And as you can see here, we had a delivery of gray stone, and those were going in the backyard, as you can see there. And then we had the new fence installation as well. And then shortly after the fence install, we had the tiki hut installation. And guys, we thought about going with the gazebo, but we opt for the tiki hut just to stay within the tropical look. And y'all, let me tell you about this generator that we have. This is a full home backup generator, guys, powered by natural gas. When I tell you this thing is a must-have, especially if you're in Florida. This thing powers the entire house, guys, including your central air, your central heat. It's like you never lost power. It actually kicks right on at the minute that you lose power. And guys, I'm in Florida. Guys, you know that Florida has a tropical climate. And with a tropical climate, our lands are covered with lots of palm trees, tropical flowers, and lots of tropical plants. But what comes along with the year-round tropical vacation vibes? Y'all, hurricanes and sporadic rainfalls, guys. So we have to stay prepared for hurricanes. And as you can see, I have the hurricane shutters here on my doors. I have them on my windows around the house. But in the backyard, guys, I have the shutters completely around the patio. Guys, in the past when we got hurricane warnings or we had to prepare for hurricanes, I had to make sure everything was cleared off the patio. We had to make sure everything was in a safe place. But now with these hurricane shutters encasing the patio the way that it is now, I mean, it is amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started in this backyard, guys. Right here, I just have some potting mix. I have some white gravel, and I have 2 solar light fixtures that I'm going to place in the yard near the tiki hut. And these are some flowers that I'm going to be using in this planter, along with 2 palm trees. And they'll both be going underneath the tiki hut. And here I'm just poking some holes in this planter to allow for the excess water to drain out. Let me take this time to say welcome and welcome back. I'm Nita at Nita'S Home Decor and Lifestyle TV. If you are new, then welcome. But if you are a returning family member, child, guess what? You ain't even got to dust your feet off today. Just walk on around to the back. That's where you'll find me. But guys, I just want to say thank you all for hitting that play button. I enjoy your company and I enjoy you being here. I just want to say to my people, my heart, y'all, be so filled with joy upon y'all return. I see you, child. I see you. And I just cannot thank you guys enough. So I have this really huge planter. This is the planter that is sitting underneath the tiki hut. I'm going to put the smaller planter inside of this one. And that's the one that I planted the palm trees in. And I had to use an old paint bucket and some pavers there to give me height so that the planter can sit up with some height. And so, y'all, here are those gray stones. Y'all, I was seeing gray stones for days. I don't know what my husband was thinking when he ordered all of these damn stones, y'all. But oh, Lord God, help me, Father. Lord, it was so many stones, y'all. So what I decided to do was make a path and, put down more stepping stones along with some white gravel. So that's what you'll see me doing here. But y'all need some stones. I'm seeing y'all some of these stones, chat. Ooh, baby. Y'all talking about sister girl tired, chat. No, I ain't say tired. I said I'm tired. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. All right, y'all. Although I'm tired, the job is not done. I'm going to go ahead and tackle these weeds, and then I'm going to spray some weed killer on them and just move on, y'all. Keep moving on to the next task. So today is another day, guys, and here in this clip, you are seeing me remove some glass from that lantern there. I'm gonna spray paint that lantern black, and I'm also gonna spray paint those butterflies as well. So I'm just gonna give everything a good wipe down. That little stand that the lantern is sitting on, I'm gonna spray paint that as well. And yeah, I'm gonna just give that a new fresh finish and use it as part of the summer decor here in the backyard as well. So here's my baby Brandon, guys. He is cutting the yard, child. Let me tell you, honey, Brandon still got sleep in his eyes. I woke him up to get this yard cut, child. He was gonna cut this yard today. So this is exactly what I'm talking about Florida's weather, guys. It is bipolar as hell, y'all. It was just sunny as all outdoors, and y'all look, now we got this sprinkle of rain. Yeah, literally, guys, literally. 5 minutes later, the sun is back out, and I'm back at it. Literally 5 minutes, guys. Where our governor? Where our governor at? He need to put his state on some medication. His state is too unstable for me. Just the bipolar as hell. Bipolar, y'all. Bipolar. Now I know what Charlamagne mean about Florida. No, but seriously, guys, I love my Florida. I love me some South Florida. I love my home. I love my home.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up all night. Baby, take your time, let me know I want. When you tell me what I want, when the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation, cigarettes in the season, shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, jam 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 jam, sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me, we know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep with the dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is started. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend.
Hey, I just wanted to drop back in to remind you that if you are still watching this video 9 minutes in and you have not yet subscribed, you better go ahead and hit that subscribe button, child, because you belong here if you're still watching. Go ahead, don't hesitate, hit that subscribe button so that you can become a part of this family too, guys. Go ahead and join this family so that you can get some of this love, this hugs, these kisses, and all that good stuff over here. Not just that, but some great content on home decorating. And guys, we are about ready to kick off this tour of my backyard, and we will begin it with a nighttime view. So make sure you stick around. And guys, as always, until the next time, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.
a day.